Hello, it's Friday. It's Friday, week 6. We've got like 3-4 more days, something like that, until bag day, our last bag day. We are here at Louis Coney Island. It's great. It's like a diner.
But more better.
They have big Cokes that you can put squirts of like marshmallow or cherry or vanilla.
You can get marshmallow?
I think so.
Cherry, vanilla, strawberry, and marshmallow.
But not chocolate?
Not chocolate.
They're selling chocolate.
Hi,
Chocolate
I'm Nick.
Coke.
Hi,
But-
I'm Brett.
But they have a very unique sandwich here called the baked hamburger, and I'm getting 2 of them. It's a beef dog baked in a vat of chili.
It's real good. Here they come. Oh, here they come.
This coming weekend, there's some week 0, or is it called week 0? Is it
Yeah.
week?
Week 0.
There's some week 0 events happening. So there's one in New Hampshire. Is that right? So we might want to watch how robots interact with actual HAB surfaces and actual masses and movements of rockets, and how balls get out and into the cargo bay, like after autonomous mode, all those things. So it'll be interesting to see how that field operates and how the robots interact with it. I love everybody posting pictures of the HAB pre-climb with the plywood, but that might be different with plastic on top and plastic on the sides. I guess if you go to the week 0 event in New Hampshire, please let everybody know what issues you have with how you interact with these surfaces that you haven't practiced on. Let us know how it is going on to the HAB. Let us know how it is with placing a cargo hatch and a cargo item up on level 3 of the rocket. Those types of things.
It's really the first time anyone's really interacting with the field since they didn't get the field at kickoff to touch. And, a select group of people, like the FTAs, touch some of the pieces, but as far as interacting with intent of gameplay, not much of that has actually happened yet.
Yeah. Thanks, Liz.
No, back to you.
And how long it takes to get a hatch panel down into the loading station ready for the next robot to grab it.
How long Plinko takes, that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Can we make a Plinko board for champs?
Yeah.
Instead of the Wheel of Fun?
Yeah.
There's a lot of videos coming out.
1678 just posted a blurry video or obscured video of them doing 2 hatches in the sandstorm period.
That was cool.
On the rocket, which is kind of cool.
Coincidental that every time they post a video, it works every time. The first time.
It looked like they were doing that as a regular autonomous routine. There's a couple strategies, right? For Sandstorm, you could just continue your program as is, and you play Sandstorm fully autonomous. Or you have, next level would be robot assist the drivers, where you bring it to a spot and it does things, which is more what our team's doing.
Hit go.
Yeah.
Did it do these things right? Hit go.
Right. So you choose what it does through the match, and it has subroutines that it runs, or you do it fully driver control. We're going to finally start seeing hopefully some real different strategies in Sandstorm this coming weekend, week 0, which is going to be kind of cool.
There's a chance that the judges are going to have a lot harder time this year with automation and control awards, because now we have a situation where that's really advantageous to have your automation figured out, because that can put you in an extreme edge coming out of Sandstorm.
It's also like a good problem for the judges to have a lot of good ideas to sort from, instead of like the teams who have successful autonomous modes winning the awards every year because they have there's 2 or 3 robots at the event that can do a 3-cube auto. It'd be nice that there are more choices to choose from because of Sandstorm.
Go see if you can download the inspection checklist for 2019. Have that handy this weekend as you go through your robot final, you're going to get all excited, you're going to drive it around, and then you're going to forget about checking for things. But don't bag your robot without going through the inspection checklist. Make sure that the sharp edges are not sharp, and make sure things are legit, so you don't have to do that when you get inspected at your first event. Reminder to the software team, make sure your firmware is up to date, all that stuff is ready to go. So again, you don't have to do that at the event.
Be sure to consider that once you bag the robot, and if you have appendages that move loosely, you may want to tie them down before you put the robot in the bag, so that when you're transporting it in the bag, it doesn't fly open or whatever. for us, we've got some spring-loaded mechanisms on the robot, right? So we're going to put our safety locks in to make sure they don't move. Like, weigh what you know that, or what you think your robot's going to be, even if it's a pile of a control system and it's a pile of air tanks. You should know where you are.
Right, but if you
You should have done it a week ago, actually. I think we already talked about
You can
this,
still
right?
weigh a bagged robot. It's not the end of the world if you don't get the weight exactly right. I would recommend that you do with these things, but
Yeah.
I would bag it in a manner that you could weigh it maybe if you have to after you bag it.
If there are components and spare mechanisms that you need to bring in as part of your withholding, you
Yeah.
want to make sure it's going to not go over your withholding because that could lead to a jam error event.
And a tip for withholding as well. Let's say you have a roller intake that has some COTS parts on it and it weighs 31 pounds. Take the motor off. Now it's 30 pounds. Because COTS items don't count towards withholding if they're in the COTS state. Pinions pressed on and leads applied are still fine. It's also nice to have a tote that is, here's withholding, so it's ready for in case anybody asks.
I would get them to fit on your robot before you bag, but don't bag your bumpers. When you do your bumpers, make sure your numbers are right. Watch your number. Check out those bumper number rules. Make sure your numbers are adhering with the rules, complying with the rules.
Maybe another quick reminder to have fun.
Yes,
have some fun.
Have some fun. But we are looking forward to Shamrock Shakes this weekend. We think we might be able to get some Shamrock Shakes this weekend.
On the lookout.
We'll see you on Monday. Have a good weekend. Be safe. Have fun. Get all your robot stuff done. And see you Monday.
Bye.